I say bust it, bust that, bust it, bust that, bust that pussy up. And if you like a nigga like that, you like to fuck him like that, you like to touch him like that, it don't matter what I like, baby, bust it like that.
Picture this, just me and you, chillin' in my living on my favorite couch, drinking that wine while I bust it open. Never thought this friendship would be that open. I'm not surprised cause I wanted that. Think about you and that other man, he can't hang, so leave him back and let's do it. Baby, you wanted that, let's do it. Do it, let's just do it. Let's do it. Just do it. Yeah, she's feeling a little bust, but she got a man. Never mind that, second a minute of 10 to lay you back on that quick stand. You say you like it, so let's do it then. Don't matter if he's coming back, I don't give a damn. I still fist fight. I got a lot of problems and I'm trying to fuck, so let's do it, girl. You won't forget tonight. Let's do it. Let's do it. Just do it. Let's do it. I say not shorty, tonight I want you busted. My ride, I say not shorty, tonight I want you busted. My ride, I say not shorty, tonight I want you busted. My ride, I say not shorty, tonight I want you busted. My ride.